Everyone, today I thought we'd come down to the old Penn-can Mall, which is now a auto mall of sorts. It's a driver's village, they call it. And there's the old slash, it was the new Penn-can Mall sign at one point, but now it's obviously the old Penn-can Mall sign. This used to be a huge indoor mall for quite a while. It came around in 1974, I think. They built it, had a big clock in the middle. And although they do have a center court area, which has some a restaurant and things like that, and they still have the little clock in there. We'll have to go see that. But the main thing we're here for today is we're going to go see the train set in there. They have a G-scale, a G-scale train set in this mall. So let's go not shop for cars, but go look at trains. So we're going to go in and see the train display they have in here. There's the old clock from Penn-can Mall, and there's some old photos here. The train is just over here. It's off right now. There should be a switch someplace. I think there's a button over here. Let's see if it works. So this is a G-scale size, which a lot of these sets are put outside even. There's even one way up there in the mountains, past the ski lift. And they're even using an N-scale train over there to represent like a ride at a park. Around the gazebo. House is on fire here. Cookie Monsters in the cookie shop. Oh, here it comes again. Here on the other side, some barns and things. Some logging going on. Might stop here. It's pretty cool to see all the details put into these. It's a huge set. Right here they have a display case of all the different gauges, what you can use for houses and things, and how things are made. Nice setup. And there's the sign. It says it's from the Central New York Large Scale Railway Society, and that's their website. I'll leave that in the description down below. And here's the general layout. What the heck? Let's give it another go here. It's too bad only one's going around right now. So they were actually here the last time I showed up, and I was going to record this, but they were here replacing all the Christmas stuff. They just got rid of their Christmas arrangement, so this changes throughout the year. So you can see the different theming and stuff, and we missed the snow. So even though there's no snow on the layout here, we have snow outside we can still enjoy. It's nice to think that they change this all the time. That's kind of cool. I wish that one was running up there. There's this lonesome locomotive out here. Looks like it would go through that tunnel. Is that on? Who's that sitting up there? Is that Tin Man? Looks like a Tin Man or some kind of robot. Kind of bighorn sheep up in the mountains there. Right there. I love this skyway. I just noticed this thing too, the signal over the track. That's PVC pipe that they've glued together. Pretty cool to see such creativity. Power went out again. And there's another silver character up there. If that's like a, is that a thing? Should we be looking for them? Oh, I think I see another one on the park bench next to that house. I just noticed the car dealership there is Burdick. That's who actually runs Drivers Village. A nice touch. They have this sign here, don't go past this barrier, which is like right here. And then over here, actually have another sign. Danger, do not trespass. So now we're on the other side of this car that's parked here, and oh, they actually have a Saranac Mining and Smelting Company. There's a guy hard at work. And little notification board. Oh. We should do that sometime. I imagine it started back up last year, probably. What's this? I'll give you some information on the club. What's all this? This is interesting. The set is so large you can't even hear it when it's around the corner over there. Wow. People down there having a picnic. That's pretty great. Thanks for coming along with me today. I had a lot of fun looking at this huge railroad set that's inside this auto mall. Pretty cool. Now I just have to find my car. Darn, I don't know where I put it. Bye.